In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Calendly to Close CRM step by step so you can connect your scheduling workflow and keep everything organized in one place. If you use Calendly to book meetings and Close CRM to manage your sales pipeline, this integration can save you time, reduce manual work, and help you stay on top of new appointments faster. And if you want more tutorials like this, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Close CRM account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the Settings option. This is where Close CRM keeps all of the integration and account connection tools. So that's the first place we need to go. Next, click on Accounts and Apps. This section is designed to help you connect external tools and services to Close CRM. Since Calendly is the app we want to link, we'll manage the connection from here. Now click Add Account. Close CRM will show you a list of available apps and services that you can connect. Take a moment to find Calendly in that list and select it. After selecting Calendly, click Connect with Calendly. This begins the authentication process and opens the connection between the two platforms. At this point, Close CRM will need permission to access your Calendly account so it can sync event information properly. You'll now be asked to sign in to your Calendly account. Enter the email and password for the account you want to connect. Make sure you're using the correct Calendly account, especially if you manage multiple workspaces or team accounts. Once you're signed in, Calendly will ask you to authorize the connection. This step is important because it grants Close CRM access to your Calendly data. Review the permission request carefully, then click Authorize to continue. After that, the connection process will begin. Give it a moment while Close CRM and Calendly sync together. This may take a short while depending on your account settings and the amount of event data that needs to be pulled in. When the sync is complete, your Calendly event types should appear inside Close CRM. That means the integration is active and ready to use. From here, you can start working more efficiently by tying your scheduling activity into your CRM workflow. If something doesn't appear right away, refresh the page and double check that you're signed in to the correct accounts on both sides. Also make sure the permission authorization went through successfully, because that's usually the key step that allows the sync to happen. And that's it. You've successfully linked Calendly to Close CRM. Now your scheduling and CRM tools are connected, which can help you streamline follow-ups, stay organized, and reduce the back and forth of manual updates. If this video helped you, please hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more CRM and automation walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.